Today is a bit warmer, sunny today. I'm surprised, man. I even lost my jacket today, guys. Where I went to eat, I didn't remember because the weather was very hot today. So I even forgot to wear my jacket when I was leaving the restaurant. So it's there. I dashed them. I dashed them already. Let them take it. So I'll get another one for myself. Rolling, checking out the city. I think it's a very beautiful city, by the way. The city is actually beautiful, guys. As you can see, we have similar structures like the one I saw in Austria, Vienna, Austria. You can see most of their buildings are like castle, man. Great buildings. A lot of sit-outs. The weather is perfect today. Like, weather's. So this is the train I was talking about. It's beautiful. It gives the city a very colorful, unique appearance. You know, the taxi, the train, everything is yellowish. So it brings out the beauty of the city. I love it. So from here, guys, I'll be taking a taxi now to further take me around to understand the city very well. Europe is just one. Like sometimes, too different about Europe cities. When you are here, you think you are here. Almost the same thing. And it's just the uniqueness of this place now. And see the train? The uniqueness is what makes it different. I think it's kind of unique here. So like from here, like I told you, I'll just take a taxi to further explore the city. Just stay back, guys. You have made it to. Oh wow, look at this structure, man. Man, I love the structure here, man. It's crazy. Tell me what you think about the city. My eyes keep opening. Each city I visit, the more better I understand this continent called Europe. Like, almost same history. Same everything. Like, so I think I should be booking a boat to further exploring the town. So keep it low while I still show you more, guys.